Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all my dear students. How are you all? Students, today in class 4, subject English grammar, I am going to explain you about conjunction. Okay, so let's see. Students, what is conjunction? Conjunction क्या होता है? Let's see its definition. A conjunction is a word that join words or sentences together. Conjunction word है जो sentences को और words को join करता है. Okay, let's see example. Rama has gone. Arjun has come. Here you can see word and. Okay. We have two sentences here. First one is Rama has gone. Second is Arjun has come. So here this conjunction join these two sentences. Okay. Which word is here? And. We can say this is conjunction. Okay. ये and को हम क्या बोलेंगे? Conjunction. Rama has gone and Arjun has come. Okay. Second sentence. Do your work or I shall punish you. So in this sentence, which one is conjunction? Or. Okay. Next. I called him but he did not hear me. Okay. You can see here in this sentence also there are two sentences. First is I called him. Next is he did not hear me. So this word but join this both sentence. Okay. I called him but he did not hear me. Okay. So students, the words and or but are used to join one sentence to another. ये जो वर्ड है एंड और बट ये वर्ड्स एक सेंटेंस को दूसरे सेंटेंस के साथ ज्वाइन करने के लिए यूज होते हैं. ओके, सो दे आर कॉल्ड कंजक्शन. सो इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? कंजक्शन. ओके. समटाइम्स अ कंजक्शन merely joins words. कई बार क्या होता है? कंजक्शन वर्ड्स को भी ज्वाइन करता है. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल टू एंड टू मेक फोर. हियर यू कैन सी टू वर्ड्स. ओके, हमारे पास दो वर्ड है. कौन से? टू और टू. सो हियर यू कैन सी दिस कंजक्शन एंड ज्वाइन दिस टू वर्ड्स. ओके, ये जो कंजक्शन एंड है वो ये दोनों वर्ड को ज्वाइन करता है. ओके, सो conjunction means a word that join words or sentences together. Okay, conjunction एक ऐसा word है जो words को और sentences को join करता है. Okay students, I hope you understood about conjunction. Let's see more example. Okay, I did not come because you did not call me. So here which conjunction used? Because. Okay. It shows reason. Okay. Next. Give me water to drink, else I shall die of thirst. Okay. So which conjunction here used? Else. Next. You will get the prize if you deserve it. Okay, so here which conjunction use? If. Next, do not go before I come. Which conjunction is here? Before. Next, I hear that your brother is in London. Okay, I hear. What I hear? That. Okay, here which conjunction use? That. Next, I will stay until you return. Okay. Next, will you wait till I return? So, which conjunction is here? till. Okay. Next, he deserved to succeed, for he worked hard. So in this sentence, which conjunction used? For. Okay. Next, he asked whether he might have a holiday. Okay. So which conjunction here used? Whether. Next, I can't sleep because it is very hot. So students, which conjunction is used here? Because. Okay. So students, which conjunction you learned? And, or, but. Then because, else, if, before, that, until, till. Okay. Then for, whether, because. These all are conjunction. Okay. Let's see exercise. Fill in the blanks with an appropriate conjunction. Students, here sentences are given. You have to fill this blank using appropriate conjunction. Okay, let's see. Number A. He is old but strong. Okay. Number B. The train was delayed but no one was hurt. Number C. Work hard or you will fail. Number D. 2 and 3 make 5. Number E. You will get the prize if you work hard. Number F. Cats can climb trees but dogs cannot. Number G. Wait here till I come back. Next, number H. Be just and fear not. Number I. He was punished as he was guilty. Number J. There is no doubt that the earth is round. Number K. Will you kindly wait till I return? Number L. I spoke to him, but he did not answer. Number M. Catch me if you can. Okay? Students, here these sentences are there. You have to make practice of these sentences. Okay? I am sending you PDF. You will write answer in your rough book. Okay? So students, I hope you understood about conjunction. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.